Welcome to WB Fine Woodworking. I'm Don Bullock. This video is part of a series of shop projects. This particular video is part of my shop organization. In my handy tools series, I showed you the sanding blocks that I use all the time. I don't know about you, but these things seem to get lost. I really think maybe the dogs bury them. To help with that problem, here's the tote I made for all of my sanding blocks. I'll tell you where to get the tote ends and the hardware later on. The sanding blocks that I use are these Preppin Weapons. There's a video about them on my handy tools series. You can make this tote to fit any sanding blocks, including ones you have made. I chose to buy both sets of sanding detailers. You could easily modify this tote for any other kind, even homemade detailers. Or you could just leave this part off the tote. To help with profile sanding, I bought a set of soft sanders. They are stored in a compartment below the sanding blocks. You could use another brand or something you've made, store something else in this compartment, or just close it up. I told you earlier that I'd tell you where I got the ends. The ends for the totes came from Lee Valley. You can go to the Lee Valley website and search for toolbox ends. The ends for the boxes come with all the hardware you need, as well as good directions to follow. So there you have it, an easy project that any woodworker can do pretty quickly. These totes don't even have to be used for the shop. I've given several as gifts, especially to gardeners to hold their gardening tools. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below and leave any comments or ask questions if you wish. Remember to subscribe to this channel, and thank you very much for watching.